Good morning. Good morning. I hope all is well. Okay, so this is the first video of my grammar series. And what we're going to be doing is just going over uh, basic grammar rules and things that we need to help us to write better. And then I'm also going to create the sentence pattern series. So let's start our grammar review. Oh no, so we just not going. There we go. Come on. Okay, so the sentence. As we know, the sentence is very important to our speaking, our writing, our reading, and it helps us to understand. So, what is a sentence? A sentence expresses a complete thought through the use of a series or groups of words. The simple sentence will have two parts, subject and verb. And when we're talking about a simple sentence, we are talking about an independent clause. Independent clause. And we'll get to that later in our series. The subject of your sentence will always be a noun or a pronoun. A noun or a pronoun. And again, we're going to get deeper and deeper into this because once you learn your parts of speech, you will know that certain parts of speech can act or operate as other parts of speech. The subject noun is the person, the place, the thing, or an idea that is spoken of. The subject noun is the person, the place, the thing, or the idea that the sentence is speaking of. The verb will tell us what the subject does or what the subject is. So each subject will have a verb. A subject will have a verb. A verb should have a subject, okay? So a group of words is not a sentence unless they contain both a subject and a verb. Tip, tip, hint, hint. This is the definition of a clause. Okay? It's a group of words that contain both a subject and a verb. All right. Here are a few examples. Example one, Dora graduated with honors. Well, if we were to analyze this sentence, and we know analyzing means breaking things apart to see how they are connected. Our analysis is Dora. Dora is a person, right? Yes. Dora is a noun because we know nouns, name, person, place, things, or idea. And Dora is also who this sentence is speaking of. Well, what did Dora do or how is Dora? Well, Dora, she graduated. And so graduated tells us what Dora did. So graduated is the verb. A non-example. Emmanuel in school one more year. Well, we do have a subject, correct? We do. Emmanuel. He is who this phrase is speaking of. And what did he do? What did he do when he was in school? Did he remain in school? Did he excel in school? So you see, this is not a sentence because we do not have both the subject and the verb. So here's what I need for you to do. You're going to pause this video. You're going to copy each sentence. You're going to identify the subject and the verb, and you're going to provide an analysis for each answer, just like we did in the previous video. So go ahead and pause the video. Type this out in Google Classroom or write this in your composition book. And be prepared to share your answers. All right, go ahead and pause.